We're here in Lee at the site of our upcoming retreat in May, and we're just so excited to be walking through the space and dreaming up all of the things that we're going to be doing.
Amazing. Do you want to turn it around and show them as we're coming up to the house?
We chose the Playhouse because of its unique and inspiring energy. It has a beautiful history as a theater, a special event venue that dates back to the late 1800s. It's very cool to imagine the performances and history that has happened within its walls. Attendees of this retreat will receive direct experience giving and receiving massage and body work that is specific to the healing and rejuvenation needs of the postpartum window. They're going to practice techniques and be ready to offer them to others when they leave with confidence and with an understanding of how to tailor their sequences to the needs of each person. Attendees will make and try our unique and curated sacred window recipes. Every meal we share together at this immersive retreat will inform your understanding of how to prepare meals for postpartum. Our team of instructors will also be joined by some incredible professionals who will all be contributing to the rich curriculum attendees will receive. You'll be held, rejuvenated, and I guarantee you'll be inspired with an incredible new skill set to bring to your work.